In this video, I will show you how to deposit on Crypto.com with a debit card. To do this, what you want to do is just open up Crypto.com, and from the home screen you want to click Buy, and then just select a coin. Now you can also choose a stable coin if you don't want to risk losing any money. So for example, I'll just choose USDC, which is a stable coin. And now once you have a coin, you want to click on Add Payment Method, and from there select a credit or debit card. Now here, simply going to enter your credit or debit card details, so in this case your debit card details, and then click Add Card in the bottom. Now after you do that, you can then select it as your payment method right here, just like I've selected Apple Pay. Now from there, what you want to do is just choose how much you want to deposit. For example, if I want to deposit 50 euros, then I just type in 50 euros, and then you want to go and click Buy, and then from there click I understand that a 2.99% fee is required for every card purchase, then click Continue. And then if you've already added your card, from there you can then go and click on Buy with Card in the bottom, and after doing that it will be charged from your debit card and then be added to your Crypto.com account. Now, if you then want to have it in normal fiat currency, such as euro or dollar, just go to Accounts, click Crypto. Then here you will see the cryptocurrency that you bought with the debit card. Go and click on it, then click Sell, and then from there you can sell it for a different cryptocurrency, so swap it or sell it for cash. So that's how you can deposit on Crypto.com with a debit card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.